This guy makes over $10 million a year with 6 different businesses. He started them all with $0.
$10 million per year business. And he started from zero. Let's learn about it.
I drove out to Miami, Florida to ask him exactly how he built these businesses.
It's a 5-step system called SCALE that starts with S.
ACP funnel, baby. A stands for audience. You got to start by social media audience, Instagram page, TikTok page, Twitter account. I had built a Twitter account of over 10,000 people. That's not a lot, but
So S stands for social media. The next one is C.
C stands for community. How do you convert some of those audience members into some place where you own their emails, you have their SMS, they have a place to talk, and you really understand what are
Community. The next step, A.
the products that you can create that they want the most. And I told them,
A stands for analyze needs. Next, L.
LCA, we sell innovation, and they were like, come into my office first thing Monday. Because I had already built so much trust with them.
L stands for launch a product they're ready to buy. And last but not least, E.
Second year, all of a sudden, we're doing 5+ million in revenue. Sounds like a lot, but again, a few clients, $1 million each. And it's been going up ever since then.
E stands for expand and repeat. Now tell me something. Does it look like an easy and beginner-friendly process to you? The answer is no. And that's why we don't ask any beginners to start with this. It could be overwhelming and a pretty much guaranteed failure. We use a 99% done-for-you system. We use AI to learn super fast. For example, we analyzed this whole video using AI and learned everything about this business model in just a couple of minutes. Then we used that knowledge and made a simple video. Then we upload those videos in social media sites. Social media send us free traffic to our AI-powered automated funnel. This funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. Just like our beginner students earn commission like this. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.